How to get all-purpose plastic in your once human game just on your PC or on the device wherever you're playing at. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel and let's start this video without any further delay. For the first step, I will show you the genuine and accurate method that how you can actually get all-purpose plastic on your once human game. That is a easy guide for you. Now, the step one to do is what you have to do is disassemble the scrap found in areas related for level 10 and higher. Second is use the disassembly bench to break down old gear, which yields standard parts and all-purpose plastic. Third is loot large point of interest, that is POI, in red sand such as supermarkets, houses and towns to find special plastic. Fourth is scavenge items like noteboards, safety helmets, sports, water bottles, tires, animal structure and breaking pant and assemble them to obtain fireproof plastic from it. Thank you so much for watching this video.